Welcome to BSoft Solutions. In this video, we are introducing our customized tally report, voucher type-wise fast, slow, and non-moving stock items. Using this report, you can easily identify which stock items are fast-moving, slow-moving, or non-moving, based on both quantity and value, all from a single screen, and any voucher type-wise. Let's start by configuring the tally add-on. First, copy the path of your TCP file, and then configure it inside Tally Prime by loading the add-on. Once the add-on is loaded successfully, you can begin using the report. Now go to Display More Reports and open the Fast Slow Moving of Items report. From here, you can instantly analyze fast, slow, and non-moving stock items, voucher type-wise, in a single view. This powerful report helps you make quick stock decisions by showing clear movement trends based on quantity and value. Configure button. Using the report configure, you can customize the report by showing or hiding the columns such as stock group, category, closing balance, quantity, rate and amount column. Fast, slow, non-moving button. This button allows you to change the format of the report. Using this single button, you can view fast-moving items, slow-moving items, combined fast-slow-moving items, non-moving items. All these views are available through a single button. Change Voucher button. Use the Change Voucher button to view the report based on any selected voucher type, such as purchase, sales, or others. Change View button. This allows you to view the report in 3 different ways: stock item-wise, stock group-wise, stock category-wise. This helps you analyze stock movement from detailed to summarized views easily. Show by Value and Quantity button. Use this to switch between item movement details based on quantity or value. Stock Item Filter button. This helps you filter and view only selected stock items in the report. Stock Group Filter button. Use this to filter the report based on selected stock groups. Stock Category Filter button. This allows you to filter the report according to selected stock categories. Party Name-wise button. Using this button, you can filter this report party-wise. Only items related to the selected party ledger will be displayed. Group Name-wise button. With the Group Name-wise button, you can filter this report based on party groups, so only items for the selected group are displayed. State Namewise button. With the State Namewise button, you can filter this report based on party state-wise, so only the items for the selected state are displayed. Items Related Reports button. Just place the cursor on any item line in the report and use the Quick Access buttons to view related details such as Movement Analysis, Purchase Bills Pending, Purchase Order Pending, Sales Bills Pending, Sales Order Pending, Stock Item Master, Stock Monthly Summary, Stock Query, Stock Voucher. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for Tally customization, please connect with BSoft Solutions. See you in the next video.